So here's the latest version of the Buck Rodgers Sky Torpedo. This time trying to make it look more like the original comic, as we can see there. Trying to do similar colors and similar appeal. And let's see. Just gonna take that off. Again, we have the walking action and the flashing thruster light. And of course the first design of it, which was just influenced by the idea, was this one that I had done earlier. This one's a lot more stable because your roller feet are further apart and your skid's further back, so you have a much wider base. But this one does end up looking like the comic strip, more or less. More than less. Trying to decide whether it would look better if we did the wings up on top in chrome. But here I was trying to get close to the comic strip. I'm working on another body. And here, you see this one doesn't have the TM37-1 on it yet, whereas this one will. Staying more with the comics, some of the comic pictures just show all of the buttons on the robot, just everything's just all red, no change there. Some of them show the back is, there's two different windows, and one leads you to believe that the back frame might be red, thin, whatever. The front's yellow. But you can't tell if they're trying to say shadows or if they're trying to do different colors, you know, it's so hard to decode what they're thinking in their pictures. See, even these little tubes, I made them silver because here they show them as white, but in this frame they show them as red. But you have to admit they look awful nice in chrome. And here they just always show all of the little buttons and doodads just as all red. They don't do any highlight on it. So it's hard to say whether you should go ahead and make them yellow on the red to stand out, or make them chrome on the red like I did on that one. But the same thing to me goes true for the little wings up on top. I kind of see it more like a little hood ornament thing, and it might look really nice in chrome.